Today we're taking a quick look at and showing you how to install the OE Ford Pony puddle light replacement, available for all 2015 through 2023 Mustangs equipped with the factory puddle lights. Now this will be an official Ford replacement for the S550 owners out there who might be dealing with a blurry or broken pony light on their ride. Now this light will be sold individually and will feature a quick swap plug and play install, all for right around the $75 price point. All right, so this will be a short video here, gang, as these puddle lights are simply designed to be a factory fresh replacement for a light or lights that may have seen better days over time. Now these puddle lights do get a little bit blurry or dim as the years go on. I know a lot of owners out there who are dealing with kind of morphing puddle lights. Their ponies don't really look like ponies anymore. So if that's the case, then going with a factory Ford replacement will get your pony much brighter and crisper than before. Now this is a big theme, again, I noticed in the customer review section. If you don't believe me, definitely read up on some of those back on the product page. Great way to hear from fellow S550 owners about their experience installing this puddle light replacement. Now moving into construction, and there really isn't a ton to say here, but expect an OE quality build here, as these do come directly from Ford, and they do feature an ABS housing here, clear lens, and of course loaded with the LED lighting and that iconic Running Pony logo. A couple things to keep in mind here, gang. First and foremost, these are sold individually. So for instance, this is actually the driver's side here with us on the table today, but if you need the passenger side instead, we do also sell that here on the site. Secondly, these will only be for the S550 Mustangs that currently have the pony lights installed from the factory, which means these will not work on your base S550 if you're looking to add these to your ride. So just keep those in mind here before pulling the trigger for your S550. Now coming in at or around 75 bucks, give or take here per side, the OE Ford options are pretty much in a class all their own, as these are one of the few factory style replacements currently available on the site at this time. All right, last but not least, let's talk about the install. And the site's gonna call this plug and play swap. Pretty soft, 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 10 minutes or so to complete from start to finish. But now to give you a better idea of how this might go down on your ride at home, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough.
Tools required for this install include a plastic pry tool. What's up, guys? Today we're installing puddle lights on our Mustang, so let's get started. So to remove your factory puddle light, grab a plastic pry tool, get right in between this gap, and press in on that clip, and then pop it down. And now grab your new puddle light, and just fish out that connector and plug it in, and then we can press it up and into place. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Ford Pony puddle light for the driver's side of your 2015 to 23 Mustang. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.